All right, guys, check this out. I've been getting this question a lot on Instagram. Can I use add-ons like Blender Kit? Because a lot of people use Blender Kit. Me, myself, I do use Blender Kit. Can we use that with Octane? Yes and no. I would say majority of the stuff that I use, I've been able to do it. There have been a few, 1 or 2 items that I wasn't able to convert. But take a look. I'm just going to go into my Octane tools and I'm just going to go, or Blender Kit tools. And I'm going to say desk, right? DSK, right? I'm going to go ahead and load up a desk here. And let's see. Let's find a cool desk. Oh, I like this one here. Actually, I really like this one from Free Poly. I'm going to drag this into my scene here. We've got that. I'm in Octane right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit render. And this is what we see. We don't see anything. Of course, the materials are not showing up. If we look over here, the materials are all Cycles materials, okay? But hang on, check this out. Let me quickly show you something else here. If I jump over here to the top, you see I got this little tab that says Octane, right? I'm going to go ahead and click on Cycles. Boom, I'm in Cycles, just like that. I've set up 2 scenes. I've set up an Octane scene and I've set up a Cycle scene, and I keep them as part of my default setup. So when I'm reverse engineering Cycle stuff, I can literally jump back and forth really quickly, right? So I'm going to repeat that. Here's our desk again. Let's go ahead and find that. Oh, here's that same desk. I'm going to bring that in. There is our desk, okay? Now, it's working here. It looks perfectly fine. We jump back over to Octane, and of course, it doesn't work, right? So what we can do, luckily, this material is not that complicated. If I open a full screen here, look, it's literally just image maps, okay? Which are, I mean, if you're gonna do stuff in Blender Kit, I would always advise doing this, because some people don't like these massive node setups because it's not very flexible, right? Like if you didn't build that setup, you're like, what does all this stuff do? This, everybody knows, images, plug them in, you're ready to go, okay? So what I wanna do is convert this to work with Octane. So the first thing what we're going to need to do is I'm gonna go ahead and press in. I'm gonna use my Octane tools. For those of you who are watching, who are in the Blender Octane community, if you go down to add-ons, this Blender tools kit should also be in there. If we come over here and we jump into the classroom, and if you scroll down to Blender add-ons right here, you click on add-ons, then you'll see right here, Octane tools. This is a quick video to show you how to install and load it and how to use it. Here is the link down below if you guys want to go ahead and download it. And here's the zip file right here. This link will take you to the actual resource where I got it from. This is the actual plugin right here. So now that we're over here, I want to convert this to work inside of Cycles, and inside of Octane. I'm all mixed up, sorry. Here is our material. Look at this button right here, convert to materials, right? So convert to Octane material. I'm literally going to just press that. Boom. It already did that. Let's jump. There it is. We can see it working here. Let me rotate it just so we can see that other side that was matching in Cycles. There it is. Look at it. Boom. Okay. Let's jump in here and show you something really fast what that did. It basically did the same thing. It just connected all the image maps, right? And then you notice we got this red node over here. Like, why is that red? Well, basically anything that's red means it did not need that node. Here is a normal map. In Octane, we don't need a special normal node. We just plug that normal node straight into our universal material, which is our AKA principal BFD. We just plug this straight normal map right into it, so we don't need it. Then if I come back over here, I can literally hit removed mark nodes, boom, and it's going to delete that now. Now it's gone, okay? Super easy. Small commercial break. If you're getting any value out of this video, guys, smash that like button for me. And as a gift for smashing that like button, you can jump over to my Gumroad. I've got all of this free stuff here for Blender Octane. Materials, little plugins and things that I've been working on, like this little geo drop generator for Octane Blender. And again, I've got just assets that I've made from different projects. I put them all on this Gumroad. Almost everything on here is free. I got a free Blender Octane startup file, which you just download. This helps you get started up. The settings and everything is all set up. You just pop the file in and you're ready to go. And if you're really serious and you want to go hardcore, take a look at my Blender Octane School community right now. For the next week, I'm going to be taking $5 off. So it is $10. Normally costs $15 to get in a month. This is $10 straight up, or if you want to pay annual, that option has just been added. So take a look. We got material asset. You can come in here, and I got a big material asset library that is constantly growing. You can have access to. We got node setups, one-on-one with me, whatever you guys need, community help. This is where it's at. Blender Octane. Back to the video. Enough of my gym. Okay, and boom, now we're pretty much good to go. This is in Octane. I'm looking at it, look, it looks good, right? I'm using, again, I'm actually in the same color space. I'm using AGX color space here. Then if I switch back over to Cycles, which I'm using AGX color space, and there it is. Same thing, right? Nothing different. Like, it's very easy. Like, people feel like, oh, you have to be committed to one. Oh, I only use Cycles, nothing else. dude, what's the deal? There's Cycles, there's Octane, there's Eevee, there's Redshift. It's not a cult, right? It's like, why not put them all the tools in your bag, right? So I'm able to literally jump from scene to scene by the flip of a switch. No big deal. Super easy, just like that. I love it. Now, that works for an easy material. Let's see if we can find something that's not so easy to set up. I'm going to jump back over to Cycles, and let's come in here and let's see. Well, let's grab a mug, right? Okay, let's find a free mug. This one, first one that comes to, I'm just going to drag it. Actually, let's put it on top of our thing here. Let's put it on top of there, right? My guy here, you see I have a guy in my scene. I always use that to keep things in, to know where the reference is. Especially working in Octane, you really should work to real world scale. And I use that just so I know, okay, yeah, these things came in at real world scale. Sometimes you'll bring stuff in and it's like this massive car. It's like the size of a building. That's going to affect your lighting and stuff like that, and the values of your lighting. That's why I keep him there. But I'm going to hide it for now. Looking good, right? We're in Cycles. It's looking good. But now if we come over here, look at this node setup, right? Now this node setup is not that simple, okay? Now this is where we start to reach a point where if you don't know how to do this stuff, like you're stuck. You're like, okay, great. Now what, right? And then you can just use Cycles. In this case, I would say use Cycles. But me, I like to tear this apart and be like, okay, well, I want to convert this to make sure it works for Octane. You know, and you'll have to use, look, we're using procedural noise textures. We're doing some math, some multiplying, some bird, color ramps going and stuff like that. All of these nodes have equivalents in Octane, okay? So if you're a beginner, I would advise you not to get into that because you got to learn. But for me, I'm pushing myself. I'm constantly like, how can I rebuild this exact same thing in Octane? Now, here is let's click on that. There's our material. Now, this is not going to work as easily as it was before. Now, if I hit in, we go convert to Octane, and already it's like it got weird, right? Matter of fact, let me undo that one more time. Make sure I don't have everything selected. Convert to, yep, and it's already like, it's like, yo, what do we do here? Like it tried to look at all these nodes over here. Let me just go ahead and separate that, and let's separate this. Now it tried to do it as best as it possibly could, but it didn't get there, right? So this is where I would say I would rebuild this. I would figure out how to rebuild this and get it to work. And then I would save this asset and boom, I always have this asset ready to go. I don't have to convert it and stuff like that again. But Octane is getting better. We're starting to get nodes that are like comparable to this. So we like, okay, the mix node in the Octane Blender add-on, there is now a mix node that looks just like this, and you can do this. I know other ways of how to rebuild this. I won't get it into this tutorial because this will be a whole separate video on how to dig deep into the nodes and start converting stuff over. But you can see that it tried to get as close as possible, but you know, we still have to do a little bit of work. And that's why I have built my Blender community here of just, you know, Blender Octane users. And we're constantly trying to build assets, share the knowledge, share the love with each other, so we don't have to go through the pain of having to deal with all this stuff. You can clearly see here, look, Alex here, he's made this whole procedural node setup for different woods. I mean, look at this, guys. He's got 32 different wood styles here, wood board styles, and it all one node, this wood building material node. Absolutely game changer, absolutely fantastic. And this is the type of, you know, love we've got going on in our community here. I can't talk right now. If you guys are interested in joining this community, the link will be down in the description. Check out my Gumroad. I got lots of free materials there for those people who are not. And the Discord, if you guys want to do, if you're a little leery about Blender Octane and what it is, join the Discord. Get the Discord and get familiar with it. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.